Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask a question in the Ask FM application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find there this plus symbol. Press on it and here you can type in a question. You can ask people, ask a friend, or you can do a versus. Now generally speaking you're going to ask people, I think. Now you can also ask friends, of course, but the point is you can just enter here a question. How is everyone doing, for example, and you can just send it. And this is all about it. The question was just sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.